Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi and today we're going to be doing underwater bath scene with the Lush Bathbombs. We have a teddy bear one, looks like this. It's a teddy bear bath bomb, got the name. And then there's like pink and white glittery bath bomb. We're going to be using one of them today. Oh, I need to get the one that I'm going to do the pink and white sparkly one. Let's get into it. Is it doing anything? I'm going to pop that one in as well. I wonder what they are in there. They look like little strawberry things, strawberry seeds. That one's not really doing anything, I think. I might pick up the thing, but I'm not sure. I might not. Look at it. So cool. Is that the foot? Not sure. How's your day been going? Hopefully it's been going good. Mine has been. I've been with my grandma all day, kind of. Well, my mum's been at work, sorry. Look, the white bit. Really cool. I'm not sure about what that other pink one's doing. But all I know, the teddy bear one is going amazing. I'm going to try and get it. Oh, no. I'm going to see if there's another half to it. Let me pop that back in. No. I'm going to pick up the seeds. Ooh, look at them. I think they're like little soap bits. They feel like soap bits. Let's try and find... Oh, the other one's here. It's still up. Oh, it's doing some magic. This one's going very good. Oh, accidentally broke it. Now it's into two pieces. I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.